Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to use the pattern command in Geomagic Design X. To use this pattern command, an axis is required. Now I will pattern this object to create 8 instances. Step 1. Go to the Model tab and select Pattern. Step 2. Click Bodies and select the object to pattern. Step 3. Click Rotate and select the axis. Here I will enter 8 for the total number of instances. Step 4. Enter the number of instances to pattern. Then click OK. As a result, we can see it has been patterned into 8 objects rotating around the axis.